Hey, it's Lara with your latest tech update. If you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge as your browser, be aware, criminals are targeting you with a new malware attack. There's a fake browser extension called Cloud9. It can be installed on your machine if you fall for a realistic-looking but fake Adobe Flash update. And it could cause a nightmare for your business. It can break into your online accounts and log your keystrokes to steal passwords. Scarily, it can also recruit your machine into a botnet. That's a network of hacked devices all working together to infect others. Attacks like these are hard to spot, so make sure you switch on enhanced protection in your browser's privacy and security settings. And if you need any help with your online security, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.